Creating a membership site in Kajabi allows you to deliver exclusive content to your audience on a subscription basis. Here's how to do it. Log into Kajabi. Go to Kajabi and sign into your account. Create a new product. Navigate to products in the left-hand menu and click New Product. Select membership as the product type to start building your membership offering. Name your membership and provide a description. Add membership content. Upload exclusive content such as videos, courses, documents, or downloadable files. Organize your content into categories or modules for easy navigation. Use Kajabi's drag and drop builder to structure lessons or posts within the membership. Create an offer. Go to Sales, Offers, and create a new offer for your membership. Set the pricing. Link the membership product to the offer. Build a sales page. Design a dedicated sales page that highlights the value of your membership, including benefits, testimonials, and pricing. Launch your membership site. Use Kajabi's website builder to create a dedicated members-only area. Publish your membership site and promote it to your audience.